ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಲರ್ನಿಫೈ ಕನ್ನಡಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಟುಡೇ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪೋಯಮ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕನ್ನಡಮ್ಮನ ಹರಕೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಟನ್ ಬೈ ಕುವೆಂಪು. ಕುವೆಂಪು ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಕವಿಗಳು. ಈಸ್ ಅ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಕವಿ. ಕನ್ನಡಮ್ಮನ ಹರಕೆ, that means Mother Kannada's blessings or what she is wishing here. The poet is telling in this poem that what she is wishing from her baby. So let us go in detail. ಕನ್ನಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋರಾಡು ಕನ್ನಡದ ಕಂದ, ಕನ್ನಡವ ಕಾಪಾಡು ನನ್ನ ಆನಂದ. That means here Mother Kannada, she is telling that fight for the Kannada. Oh dear Kannada baby or Kannada child, ಕನ್ನಡವ ಕಾಪಾಡು ನನ್ನ ಆನಂದ. Oh dear, protect for Kannada. You always be there for Kannada. So, and I have written word meanings here. Harake means wish or blessings. Horadu, fight. Kanda, child. Kapadu means protect. Let's go to next stanza. ಜೋಗುಳದ ಹರಕೆ ಇದು ಮರೆಯದಿರು ಚಿನ್ನ, ಮರೆತೆಯಾದರೆ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಮರೆತಂತೆ ನನ್ನ. So the Mother Kannada is telling that it is the blessings or the wishes when you are since you are in the baby, you are in the cradle. Okay, Jogula means lullaby. Lullaby means the mother will sing, right? The song to make the baby sleep. So that one, that means it's a request or it's a wish since you are a baby. ಮರೆಯದಿರು ಚಿನ್ನ, don't forget dear. ಮರೆತೆಯಾದರೆ ಅಯ್ಯೋ, if you forget, then ಮರೆತಂತೆ ನನ್ನ, definitely it is forgetting me. That's what the Mother Kannada, she is requesting. Don't forget that you should you should not forget the Kannada. If you forget the Kannada, that means you are forgetting me, like you are forgetting your mother. In the third in the next stanza, the poet here is telling how the Mother Kannada is describing the Kannada language. ಮೊಲೆಯ ಹಾಲತಂತೆ ಸವಿಜೇನು ಬಾಯ್ಗೆ, ತಾಯಿ ಯಪ್ಪುಗೆಯಂತೆ ಬಲು ಸೊಗಸು ಮೈಗೆ. ಮೊಲೆಯ ಹಾಲು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮದರ್ಸ್ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್. ಸವಿಜೇನು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಹನಿ. ತಾಯಿ ಅಪ್ಪುಗೆ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮದರ್ಸ್ ಹಗ್. Balu Sogasu means it's a great joy. How the Kannada language is, it is like how the mother's milk. So it is very nutritious. So that is how it is very good for our life. Savijenu. So it's like a very tasty, sweet like a honey. When you speak Kannada, you feel like it's very sweet or you want to hear it again and again, like that. And ತಾಯಿ ಅಪ್ಪುಗೆ, so ತಾಯಿ ಅಪ್ಪುಗೆ means mother's hug. See, whenever you feel like down or you feel you got hurt with somebody, or literally you got a wound in your while playing, you may get hurt. That time what you feel, first you want to go and hug your mother, right? So when you go and hug your mother, what you feel, the nice, that warmthness, you feel like, oh yes, I am relaxed now, I'm safe and secure. Like that, when you be in Karnataka or Kannada Mate's lap, you feel like you are in your mother's uh, lap. Okay, so balu sogasu maige, it's like a great joy. So for maige means to your body, you feel like very great, or you can see that, you can tell that you feel very happy when you be in Karnataka, and you feel like very easy to talk. Okay, ಗುರುವಿನೋಳ್ ನುಡಿಯಂತೆ ಶ್ರೇಯಸ್ಸು ಬಾಳ್ಗೆ, ತಾಯಿ ನುಡಿಗೆ ದುಡಿದು ಮಡಿ ಇಹಪರೇಳ್ಗೆಗೆ. Here the poet wants to tell that these are the words of Kannada is like a teacher's word. Okay, so it will give you the good fortune in your life. So we always follow the teacher's word, right? Whatever the teacher tells, yeah, he is our guider or mentor. Like that, the mother Kannada, whatever the she tells, it's like a teacher's word, and it will lead to what? It will lead to a good fortune in our life. Balge means life, to our life. ತಾಯಿ ನುಡಿಗೆ ತಾಯಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ನುಡಿ means mother language. ತಾಯಿ ನುಡಿ ನುಡಿ means language. Mother tongue, for the mother tongue you have to work hard. And madi, if you die one day, then you have to be remembered in this world and in the immortal world. Iha mattu para. Iha means this world, para means after the death. So you work in such a way that people should remember you now and then. In the next stanza, the mother Kannada, she is requesting Dammaya Kandaya ಬೇಡುವೆನು ನಿನ್ನ ಕನ್ನಡಮ್ಮನ ಹರಕೆ ಮರೆಯದಿರು ಚಿನ್ನ. So she is requesting, see, Dammaya Kandaya, these are the pleasing words. Okay, usually the mother will tell to the baby. ದಮ್ಮಯ್ಯ ಕಂದಯ್ಯ. ಸೊ ಬೇಡುವೆನು ನಿನ್ನ, ಐ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಡಿಯರ್, ಕನ್ನಡಮ್ಮನ ಹರಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ವಿಶ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕನ್ನಡಮ್ಮ. ಮರೆಯದಿರು ಚಿನ್ನ, ಓ ಡಿಯರ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ದಿಸ್. ಮರೆತೆಯಾದರೆ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಮರೆತಂತೆ ನನ್ನ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಮೀ, that if you forget Kannada, that means you are forgetting me. You are forgetting your mother. ಹೋರಾಡು ಕನ್ನಡಕ್ಕೆ ಕಲಿಯಾಗಿರನ್ನ. ಓ ಡಿಯರ್, ಯು ಫೈಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕನ್ನಡ like a warrior. You have to be like a warrior when somebody is insulting Kannada, or when somebody is not taking step towards Kannada. That time you have to act like a warrior. Ranna, chinna, these are the words which are used for the baby. Like the mother usually use some nickname or patting words, right? Those things. Okay.